Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your keyboard is connected and the game window is active, otherwise keystrokes won't register. Once done, launch Roblox and pick the game you want, then click the game area to ensure it has focus. Make sure to open settings and glance at key bindings, movement, jump, and action keys so you know where things are. This prevents surprises. Also test chat with enter and a simple message if keys fail in chat. Fix OS or driver issues before continuing. Now you'll practice the core controls. Walk with WASD or arrows and press space to jump. These are fundamental. If a game supports sprint, hold shift while moving to go faster, and use control or C to crouch when needed. For interactions, try E, F, or the left mouse button depending on the game's bindings. Confirm these in the control menu. Meanwhile, use the mouse to aim the camera and tweak sensitivity in settings so turning feels smooth. This balance improves aiming and movement coordination. To finish, customize keys for actions you use often. Assign easy-to-reach keys for inventory, abilities, or macros if the game permits. This saves time in tense moments. Once comfortable, rehearse combos in a non-competitive area until muscle memory forms. If something goes wrong and keys stop responding, first restart Roblox, then update your keyboard drivers and check for conflicting overlays or background apps. If issues persist, reconnect or try another keyboard to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.